Today we are gonna fix Chat GPT network error before moving on to the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. The first solutions consist of two steps. The first step is clear Chat GPT's data. To do this, we open our browser and click the three dots. Then open Settings, select Privacy and Security. After that, open Cookies and other site data. We scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. We type OpenAI in the search bar. Then we click on Icon and click Clear. We have clear Chat GPT's data. Now let's move on to the second step. The second step is to request the answer in parts. The reason we do this is because long answers cause problems. As far as I know, long answers cause problems with ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4 because in OpenAI's forum, both those who upgraded Plus and those who did not mention that they had this problem to split the answer. All we have to do is write R. After writing our question, we add the sentence to our question. Generate the response in two parts. When the first part is finished, ask me, "Are you ready for the second part?" And wait for me to write. Yes, don't forget to use quotation marks. You can increase the number of parts if you want. I think 2 parts will be enough. As I said, you can increase the number of parts if you need. We have completed our question. Now we can press Enter. As you can see, created the first part and asked me if I was ready for the second part. Now we will create the second part by typing yes. As you can see, it also created the second part. If the solution did not solve your problem, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to change the browser. Changing the browser can solve the problem. We can use browsers such as Brave and Firefox. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fix your problem. If the video have to, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel. Support me. Take care and see you on next video.